Hello my babies, welcome back to another video. Really excited for this video because it's exciting. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of a vision board, but I'm gonna make one today. Some people also call them manifestation boards, and if you didn't know, I'm a big believer of manifestation. So I decided I'd sit in front of this very spiritual tapestry here. I got Earl with me. Say hello to Earl. Give this video a like for Earl. And I have my board that I'm going to be gluing these photos onto, and I'm just gonna talk to you guys about my goals and the things that I'm trying to manifest. And basically, we're just gonna get to know each other on a much more personal level in this video. My main purpose for making this video is not only to inspire myself, but also to inspire you all to just follow your dreams, man. Let's get into it, shall we? To start off, I know I said in my previous question and answer, my Q&A video, if you haven't seen that, go check it out. But I mentioned in that video how I've been doing manifestation every morning. So what I do for that is I have my little notebook here. I write down 6 things that I'm going to unveil to you today, what they all are. For example, I really want a pink Tesla. So when I write it down, I say, I'm so grateful that I drive a pink Tesla. So I write it as if I already have it, because like that's the whole point, right? Is to believe that you're gonna have it, and it's like all about really believing in yourself. After I write it, I close my eyes and I say it out loud. I'm so grateful that I drive a pink Tesla. I picture it in my head and I pretend I'm driving it. I just do visualization basically. So every single morning, every single day, I do that. I've actually made a manifestation board before. This is it, but a lot of the things on here are a bit outdated. Like some of these things I see on here, I'm like, actually, I don't really care to have that anymore. And I think that's okay. I think that it's okay for your goals to change throughout life. But I actually have another board right here. This is the one I'm going to be using, but I don't know if all of these pictures are going to fit. So like, we're just going to wing it and see what happens. That's how I live my life, baby. Let me show you guys my little pictures of my future. In no particular order, I will be telling you guys what's up with this. So this is a picture of, I forget which festival it is. It's one of the ones that they have in Miami. But either way, it doesn't matter which festival it is, because one of the things I want to manifest is just going to more festivals in general, because I fucking love EDM music. If you didn't know that, now you know. Comment below if you guys also love EDM music and what you listen to, because I'm always trying to find music. I actually started a TikTok specifically for workouts mixed with EDM music. So like the way I edit them makes it look really like ravey and cool. So yeah, go follow me on TikTok to check out some of those. I'm grateful that I get to go to hella music festivals because they're so freaking fun. Next up, I really want to travel. One of the places I want to travel is Santorini, Greece. Look how beautiful it is. It is so beautiful there, and I really want to go there one day. So yeah, I'm so grateful that I travel the world. I love traveling. Love it. Next thing, this one might seem like whatever. I don't really care how it seems because it's my dreams, damn it. I can dream whatever I want to dream. I'm a fan of baths, so I really want a pink bathtub just like this because I just think it's so cute. And imagine bathing in this. Imagine bathing in that. Oh, you can't even see it, can you? And bathing in this tub would be one hell of a bathe. I'm so grateful that I have a pink bathtub. I really want a home in LA with a beautiful view of LA, and a pool would not hurt either. So I'm so grateful that I own a beautiful home with a beautiful view of LA and a pool. I also really love the style of this home. I think this is like contemporary or whatever. I don't know. Am I right? Leave it in the comments below if I'm right, if this is contemporary, but I love this style. I think it's so dope. It's so dope. It kind of reminds me of like what a home would look like on Mars. If we were able to inhabit Mars, I feel like all of the homes would look like this. I'm so grateful. Well, this is kind of like the last one. This goes with this. I want this to be the front of my house and this to be the back of my house. And then money. There's a whole lot of money in this motherfucker. I really want money, as does everybody. You know, real quick, just a side point. I used to be one of those people that's like, money isn't everything. I don't need money, which it's not. It's not everything. But I used to think that if I wanted money, then that would make me like a greedy person. But wanting money does not make you a bad person, because you can earn money in great ways. You can earn money through helping other people, and you deserve it at that point. I really want to make at least $100,000 a year. I'm so grateful that I make at least $100,000 a year. And I love saying it out loud, like in the present tense, because it just makes you believe it that much more. Next thing, I really want to hit at least 100,000 subscribers within like the end of the year or like a year or so. And so here's all the plaques. I just mainly focus on this one as of right now. But you know, every time I say it out loud, I just picture myself holding the plaque, and I just picture myself saying, "You guys, I dreamed about this day." I'm probably gonna have like a microphone and make a super dramatic speech and get some champagne. That's gonna be a really good video. I cannot wait to make my 100,000 subscriber special. And no, I'm not gonna be doing 100,000 squats. I'm so grateful that I have at least 100,000 swole babies. That's a lot of kids, man. Next thing, all right, so this might be kind of weird. Okay, it's just it's not what you think. It seems so weird. I can imagine me and Will meeting one day, like hanging out, and him be like, "Is that me on your wall?" And I'd be like, "Yep." He'd be like, "Cool." I feel like that's exactly how that conversation would go. But I really just want to be friends and connect with other YouTubers, ones that I feel like are super genuine and just that I have like an authentic vibe with, you feel me? And Will is one of those people. I just feel like he's so real, and I absolutely love his mom. Like, I just feel like they're such beautiful people. His whole family is like just really good people that I want to surround myself with. I want to be surrounded with people that are like him. So I'm so grateful that I'm friends with Will Tennyson, the GOAT. Last up, the Tesla. I am so grateful that I drive a pink Tesla. Okay, so, you know, I don't really know how I'm gonna do this. Actually, okay, I think I got it. We got this. We're gonna glue everything on now. I hope that this glue works. I don't know, maybe I should be using tape, but we're gonna try the glue. Actually, would the tape be easier? We're gonna do the glue. So like I said, I want you guys, oh my god, this glue sucks. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna use the tape, I lied. So like I said, I want you guys to get something from this video, and that something is, I want you to think about what you want in life. I would like if people could leave some comments in the comment section below about what your dreams are. I know this is somewhat of an annoying question, but tell me where you want to see yourself in 5 years. Tell me your 5-year plan. I used to hate that question because I felt like, I don't know, I don't fucking know. I don't even know what I'm gonna have for breakfast tomorrow. That's a lie. I eat the same thing for breakfast every day. Yeah, I just, before, oh my god, I just stuttered so fucking bad. Before, I didn't know what I wanted out of life. Really, I sort of had an idea, but it wasn't like this stable. Is that the word I want to use? It wasn't this firm. I don't know what word I'm looking for, but concrete. It wasn't this concrete, that's the word. Just because you don't know yet doesn't mean that you should feel stressed about it, because it's like you learn as you go through life, like what you want. Obviously, if you don't know exactly what you want, it's okay, but if you don't even have like a slight idea of what you want, then that means you should try some new shit. Trying new shit is how you find your passion. Even if you think like, no, I would never like that, just try it, man, because life is short. We all have a purpose and a passion. Maybe that is the meaning of life, to find it. Did I just unveil the meaning of life right here, right now? No, I didn't, because the real meaning of life is just have a good ass time, bitch. This is my inspirational speech. This is the cheesiest video ever, and that says a lot because I've made some cheesy videos. This might look kind of wacky, guys. I think I'm just going to finish doing this, and then I will show you guys the end result, the end product. Check it out, you guys. Here's what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so pretty, isn't it? I love it. That's so cool. That is my manifestation board. Hey, could this be the thumbnail? Maybe. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna hang this up in my room. That way I can look at it every single day. All the pictures didn't fit in this one, so I also put some of them on this one, which now this one looks kind of off, but you know, I really don't care. I'm not the best at art, but I try. To end this video off, I have another inspirational speech. I know, just bear with me, you guys. Come on, you don't like my inspirational speeches? No. Yes, you do. Yes, see, you do. Okay, I know they're cheesy, but you need to hear this. I just want to say, damn, this is kind of personal. I know that sometimes it can be a little bit difficult to chase your dreams because it's a little bit scary to get out of your comfort zone, especially if your dreams are huge or if they're what some may call unrealistic. But I don't think any dream is necessarily unrealistic. I truly believe that anybody can get anything they want as long as they work their ass off and they believe in themselves and they don't give up. I think that what holds people back is the fear of failure, especially when you got all these motherfuckers trying to tell you that you can't do it. Let me just share with you a little story. Okay, just real quick. When I first started my YouTube channel, people made fun of me all the time. I could tell by people's faces that they doubted me. I could always tell when somebody doubted me. But now that my channel's growing, people kind of switched up a little bit. I actually had a friend of mine tell me the other day that when Greg Doucette made that video about me, that shut everybody up. And that's like really satisfying for me to hear. I can't lie, because I'm just that type of person that I love to prove bitches wrong. I love that shit. It really motivates me. When people doubt doubt you or when life throws you difficulties or bullshit, use that as motivation and fuel. Moral of the story, kids, is that people might doubt you at first, but you're gonna prove them wrong. Don't let the fear of that stop you. Don't let anything stop you from getting what you want. I told you it was gonna be cheesy. See, Earl is like, girl, I'm a fucking succulent. My name is Earl, and even I think that's cheesy. I wanna get your ass motivated, okay? I'm gonna get a little rough on you now. Some people are like, ooh. Get off your ass and make it happen, okay? Let's do it. Right now, after this video, I want you to go do one thing, just one thing that will get you one step closer to your goals. And like I said, if you don't know what the goals are, I want you to do one thing that will get you to figure out what they are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really excited for future videos where I can show you guys things that have come true, like when I post my new house video or travel vlogs or festival vlogs or, you know, all that shit. You know, it's kind of cool looking at this old vision board too, because even some of these things have already come true. Like I have right here that I wanted to create a song at a studio, and my outro song, I did that. So that's kind of mind-blowing. And there was some stuff on here too that I took off that I was like, wait, that actually did come true. So this board is about like 2 years old. It just goes to show that this shit really works. Not only because you see it every day, but I just think that I'm a little bit spiritual, okay? I believe that the universe will give you what you are giving. So if you're giving your 100% effort, you're gonna get the rewards that you deserve. Subscribe to join the Swole Squad. Comment below the word Earl. Let's give a shout out to Earl. If you'd like to support me on Patreon for just $2 a month, the link is in the description below. Shout out to all my patrons. I love you guys so much. If you'd like to support me on Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal, link is in the description. I also have merch and workout programs. It's all below. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good ass day. Go follow your dreams. Go do it. And the Swole comment of the day is this comment right here. For a chance to be featured in the next Swole comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment below.
How to get my weight up, yeah. Weight in the cake up, yeah. Turn up in the gym, know I'm calling Mama Swole. Bad little shorty, and you know I'm on a roll.
Press like an empress, no one to impress, bitch. Find me on the guest list. Got that Louis V necklace. Subscribe to the Mama Swole channel. Even if your name is Randall. Got it lit like a candle. Catch me swerving in the Lambo.